So what is the crack, everyone? We are currently at the Barack Obama Plaza. It is Wednesday. I'm pretty sure it's the 18th of September. We're on the way to the Ploughing Championships are on in Carlow this year. I was up at about 5 a.m. collected Mark, who's behind the camera. He's going to follow me around today with a camera at about 6. And it's about 7:10 now. So we're stopping off to get a bit of coffee, maybe a bit of grub. And we're a little bit under halfway there. So we'll be there for about 9. I'll be on the Hodgins stall for the day, Hodgins sausages. Handle will be here. I'll be working with them. I'll be doing a demo at about 12 o'clock. And it's all inside the Aldi tent. So Hodgins work with Aldi, or they're under their umbrella. So I'll be kind of coming in under that as well today. So I'm really looking forward to it. Ploughing Championships are one of the biggest events of the year. I remember I go every year, regardless. I'm from a farm. We always go from a young kid. But it's my first year working at it, so I can't wait. This is like another milestone hit for the year. So we'll get down there, we'll caffeinate first, and then we'll plough on to the ploughing, and we'll spend the full day below. So we're at the Barack Obama Plaza. I've picked up my trusty Mark, who is filming for the day. We will be at the Aldi stall. I have a demo at 10 to 12, so if you're around, pop in for that. Other than that, I'll be around for the day doing sample testings, walking around with this silly goose, getting a vlog together. So if you see us, if you're around, pop in, say hello. So we are about, I'd say, 15-20 minutes outside. We're currently sitting in slow traffic, which is pretty normal. It's been a busy week so far. Today is Wednesday. On Monday, I was in UL doing a demo. On Tuesday, I was invited out to Shannon Hotel Management, that college. I got a full tour of it, got lunch, and really cool to see. It's my first time there. So they run sort of like a college course for all the world for hotel management and future chefs, whatnot. Today, Wednesday, full day at ploughing. Tomorrow I'll be doing a cookery demo with the hook and ladder. I am now one of their chefs for their cookery classes, so we'll have a ton of them coming up soon. Usually one every few, well, I actually have one this week and one next week, but I'm not sure how frequent they'll be. Friday we have meetings because I've missed quite a bit this week, so it's all pushed to Friday. Saturday we have a demo in the milk market in Limerick. Sunday we were going to take off, and then Monday a demo again in UL. Tuesday a demo with hook and ladder. I'm pretty sure I'm free Wednesday, Thursday. Friday a demo with Embody Fitness Limerick. So it is and has been a crazy few weeks. My own brand is getting super busy. Country Munch, which hasn't been mentioned there, is still as busy as ever. So trying to manage the two of them, just trying to be smart with time and not necessarily work 18-hour days. We can see the balloons. That's like the staple sign you're getting close, and you see all of the hot air balloons coming in. So I love that, man. We used to come here every year when I was a kid. I'm pretty sure I was here last year, but I remember last time I was here, my aim was to come back and work at it. I thought I might have a stall, but this is kind of even better. I'm just doing demos here. So 1 year on, we're working at it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It is a beautiful day, which is such an important part of the ploughing, is the weather, because it can often be washed out, which is a nightmare. So yesterday was a beautiful day. Today is an even nicer day. So it is going to be a damn good day.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on.
We are about to go on stage doing a sausage casserole. Hodgins, us, Rebel Chili, Andrew Rudd is the main chef, so all three will be on stage, about 15 minutes. Ready to go, get prepped, get going.
Eoin Sheehan, he's a chef and he's the brand ambassador of Hodgins. He's going to step up here and have a quick chat to us.
So that is the demo done. It was only about a 15-minute demo. I was on stage with Andrew Rudd, so he was the main chef. I came on as the Hodgins ambassador. We did a sausage ratatouille, so a pretty simple one, done in a couple of minutes, just to showcase the brand, whatever. So I'm free now. We're gonna go for an old gallivant around the place and be back later to do some sample tasting sessions. www.countrymunch.com. Always plug.
Really good cheese. If you like cheese,
Free cheese is the best cheese. Oh, Mojo. What for your brand is?
Cap and a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Good things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
Alrighty, and that is it. So it is about, I don't know, 4 o'clock maybe. Finished up with Hodgins, did like the final sample testing, so handing out sausages, talking to people. Huge thank you to Hodgins, to Mervyn and Colette who were there today. They are such nice people, it is such a nice brand, and we have quite the same ethos, and you know, they're just nice people. So thank you so much to them. Thank you to Aldi who owned the tent, and that's where Hodgins were, so everyone in Aldi were so nice as well. We all got fed and looked after, and yeah, what a successful day. The weather was smashing, met tons of people, did the demo, all went to plan. So we're going to shoot home before the main traffic hits. It's still packed inside there. We definitely did over like 15,000 steps. So that is it. I'm going to sign off the video here. Thank you to everyone today. So if you do enjoy the video, please do like it, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about the channel. Keep sharing the socials because that helps us grow, helps us do more of these videos, and helps us travel the country, doing what we do best. So thank you for watching. Keep on cooking.